Welcome to On Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one questions for you. Here you have benzene as a ketone. In ortho position you have linear chain halide. You reacting with magnesium and acidic hydrolysis. You should find what will be the final product. Here you have halide, you are using the magnesium. Definitely Grignard reagent formation is possible. You are generating internal nucleophile. So internal nucleophile attacks the reactive carbonyl. So it attacks, you have the 5-member ring formation with O- charge. It will be quenched by H+. So the final product is cyclized product. The cyclization is the driving force here. Here one important fact you should learn here is probability of intramolecular reaction, that is the present reaction, is higher than intermolecular reaction. Because intermolecular reaction, the compound collisions are required, but intra-direct reaction is possible. So probability of intra is higher than inter. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.